out the other end now at 11 o'clock Eastern time. Now at 11 o'clock here, now we're over on the gold again, back in the GC, right? The gold market, one of our favorites here now. Of course, now look at this. This is a 21 range. So once again, slow, choppy markets, we slow down our time frames, do a better job of it. I used a 60-minute chart, right, to see where we were. Then I zoomed in using a 21 range chart to look for the pattern. You can see once I zoomed in, we saw the pattern. Okay, we come up, we bounce off the high of day, same two-step reversal, guys. Here's our swing low here, right, 45.7, excuse me. We break below that swing low. As you can see, we didn't get much out of this one, obviously, +4, +1. But guys, if we wouldn't have taken our time to look at the different time frames here, we would have missed this pattern all completely together. So 11 o'clock, we took 2 off at 4, 2 off at 1. Little tiny winner here. You can see we barely got anything out of the move there. But you know what, though? That's why we manage our trades. We do. We talked about that today, guys, right? We talked about today why it's so important that we're able to capitalize on every type of move the market gives me. In this case, the market gave me 8 ticks of profit. I took all 8 ticks, I put them in my pocket, and locked up that profit tight. We don't want to give it back to the market, all thanks to our trade management. All right, next up here, guys, back on the euro. Now, the euro's been pretty good to us here this week. Now, this one, of course, on the 8 range, so a little bit faster than we're used to. Okay, not the 21 range, this is the 8 range now. We come down, we break through our previous low of day. We can't find any sellers to go with the breaker pattern short. We come up, we mark up our swing high here at about 67. And of course, we make the break above that swing high. There's your entry there at 68. Two-step pattern long at 11.11, 2 off at 4, 1 off at 8, and then trail that stop, lock in 8 more ticks, 24 ticks total, or 300 USD at 12.50 per tick. As you can see, though, guys, on this trade, we really didn't get very much movement out of the move, right? It only gave us a little bit of move here until it came crumbling right back down, right? So this is why we tighten that stop up. This is why we're successful in days like today, because we don't allow the market to take back that money. Right? If you let that stop sit there, if you don't know how to manage these trades, guys, markets like today will drive you crazy because they'll give you a little bit of money and then take it all right back, right? So it's important we know how to manage these trades. Great job. Hats off to all the members today who made money. And then our final trade of the day, guys, this is a great trade as well, a wave pattern on the E-mini S&P. Now, at this point in the day, we were taking questions. We were having a great time. At this point, we were close to $1,000 already. And then all of a sudden, we see the S&P with a breaker pattern long. Right, there's your breaker pattern long on the S&P. We missed that one, though, and we took the wave long as it came back down, tested our rising trigger line for a wave pattern long. Okay, guys, remember the wave pattern, we're going to use that swing high level, right, as my entry, right there. I want to make sure my trigger line comes up, and that's where my entry is, right there above that swing high. So it's important here at 11:50, just before noontime. Again, we were taking questions at this point, and we saw this wave pattern set up to the long side. 6.75 was the fill. We took 2 off at 4. After we took the first 2 targets off, the market went completely to sleep, and we began to then get rid of contracts here for +3 and +1. We got 12 ticks out of a very small move. 12 times 12.50 per tick is 150 USD. So we finished up a nice day here, guys, on the S&P. We've had 3 days now of back-to-back-to-back winners on the S&P, guys. Like I told you, this market does not matter which market, which time frame, guys. This methodology works across the board. And I challenge you guys, if you can find us a method, if you can find me a market that will not work with this method, guys, I will give you our lifetime membership. And that is a challenge, right? Come out and join us tomorrow morning. Tomorrow, Friday, June 18th, we took $930 out of the market today, guys. Another $1,000 day here. Prep for tomorrow, June 18th, 2010. We have no news tomorrow, guys. Yikes, right? Quadruple witching tomorrow. The end of OPEX. Options expire on Saturday morning. The last day of trading is on Friday. That's why this Friday, quadruple witching means 4 different asset classes. Right? 4 different asset classes all expiring Saturday morning. So tomorrow, the last day of trading, will be the big day this week, guys. We've all been waiting for it. Tomorrow's quadruple witching. So come Monday, we'll get this behind us. We'll get some rebalancing on Monday. And then Monday afternoon and Tuesday next week, we'll be off to the races, back to normal price action. All right, guys? So make sure you guys come out and join us tomorrow morning, 7:45 a.m. Eastern Time. I'll be right here with you guys to go over all of our trades tomorrow morning, 7:45. We'll do our mental prep. our tech prep, and we'll be all ready for that. Don't forget, the beginner's course has all the stuff you need, guys, the rules, the routine, the patterns, all the markets we trade, guys, the indicators we use, all the fundamentals you need are covered in the beginner's course. And then we're going to use those fundamentals in the advanced course to help you guys profit with us every day in our live trade room. All right, hope to see you guys tomorrow. Hope the video helps. Joseph James, schooltrade.com. We'll see you guys tomorrow. Don't miss a tick. Bye-bye for now.